In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook attachments not showing in emails. If you're opening a message and the paperclip or file just isn't there, follow along and we'll walk through reliable checks to get those attachments to appear. Start by giving Outlook a quick restart. Fully close the app, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This forces a fresh sync with the mail server and often brings in attachments that were stuck during a partial update. If you're in the middle of drafting something, save it first so you don't lose any work. Next, sign in to Outlook on the web using your browser and open the same message there. If the attachment appears online but not in the desktop app, that tells you the server has the file and the issue is local to the desktop client. If it's missing in both places, the problem is likely with the original message or the sender. On the desktop application, check your attachment preview settings. Go to File, then Options, then Trust Center. Open Trust Center settings, choose Attachment Handling, and make sure Turn Off Attachment Preview is not checked. This setting controls whether attachments display in the reading pane, so disabling it can hide files even when they're delivered correctly. While you're in Options, look at Add-ins. Go to File, Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, next to ManageCom add-ins, click Go. Temporarily uncheck all add-ins, confirm, and restart Outlook. Add-ins can interfere with how messages render. After restarting, open the message again. If the attachment appears, turn add-ins back on one at a time to find which one causes the conflict. If you're using Outlook on the web and attachments are inconsistent, clear your browser cache and reload the mailbox. Also consider the file type and security rules. Certain extensions can be blocked by Outlook or by your organization's policies, which may prevent the attachment from showing or downloading. If you suspect this, check the message for any notice about blocked files or contact your admin for allowed file types. Finally, consider the email format. Messages sent in rich text format can convert attachments into a WinMail DAT file or hide them altogether. Ask the sender to resend the email in HTML or plain text. Once they do, the attachments should appear normally. Work through these checks in order: restart to refresh sync, compare with Outlook on the web, confirm attachment preview is enabled, test without add-ins, clear the browser cache or review file type restrictions, and have the sender avoid rich text. With these steps, you'll usually bring missing attachments back into view quickly.